Unboxing time. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're watching this on Instagram, hit that follow button. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video. And it's unboxing time. I got my new wigs from Luvme here. I have one more that I'm waiting for. This one is well, this is the orange wig. God, don't know what made me want to get this one, but it's just super cute. Let me try it on. Okay, so I'm not gonna cut the lace and everything right now. And it looks like it's one of those undetectable laces. I probably can put some foundation in there or something to match my skin tone. And it's a glueless wig. So I use this olive oil super hold wig grip spray. I cannot talk. Wig grip spray, and it's for strengthening and hairline maintenance. So you basically just spray the wig hairline and then tie it down with a scarf and let it dry, and you just remove it with water. It's like pretty simple. Yes, I like this color against my skin tone. It's cute for the fall vibes. And I can probably do it as a side part, where if I have this side longer, you know, or do in the middle, kind of curl it a little bit, like bump the ends. But look, and it's really soft. I like this one. What do you guys think of this? I didn't realize it was this short though, but it's cute. You know, they give you their little goodie bag with the wrap scarf, the edge control brush. Oh, and I got a mirror. Luvme. So cute. Next one, I'm hoping that my two are in here, or I might have a separate package coming. Okay, I put both of them in the same box. Okay, so this one's been on my eye. Like, I've been seeing it all over Instagram. It's like a wine red, and it's glueless as well. And it also has a strap in here. So I'm gonna try this one on and see what it looks like. Hold on, I gotta pull it down in the back. Just have to cut the lace, but look at that. And the curls are so pretty. I'm feeling this color. I thought it was a little bit more red from the pictures, but I can work with this. Yeah, you know, once I like put it on properly and cut the lace and all of that, I basically don't even have to do anything to the part. I can just probably put a little bit of brown there to make it look more real, I guess. But I whip my hair back and forth, I whip my hair back and forth. This one was the other one that caught my eye. A ginger bob, perfect for this time of year, for the fall. Oops. Oh yes, I think I might wear this tomorrow. I love it. Thank you so much, Luvme. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned on my channel to see these wigs with the makeup look, okay?